Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Sanbonani, my name is Jere. I'm the founder of 4biddenfruit. Okay, the why is that we wanna remove the bad stereotype and stigma of the cannabis plants, and also educating people in terms of not only the recreational side but also the medicinal side. Hence, we came up with this CBD lip ointment. It's non-psychoactive, so it's good for the skin. It heals. It's a good moisturizer in terms of complementing the body natural oils that the body already has. All the ingredients are plant-based, and also it helps kids with eczema. You know, if you have eczema or skin conditions, this is the best ointment that you can use. We have the CBD skin ointment, and then we have 10 times better than 100 times better than Labello, and this is the the lip ointment, which if you have sores, cuts, and yeah, this is the products that we're using. You can find us on social media, on Instagram, 4biddenfruit with the 4 instead of a F, since 2022. And then on contact details in terms of cell phone number, it's 071 20 23 564. And I can get all of Gift, the founder of 4biddenfruit, with the word. Hi, my name is Gift, and I'm a